Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Monday, the 11th of May, 2020. It is currently 4:37 p.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour charts on the high probability setup. The new candle was at 4 p.m., which was 37 minutes ago. So I've taken some action, updated the spreadsheet, and also prepared the charts for you. So on the right's my watch list, all the pairs I'm trading on the 12-hour charts. Basically got trades on most, anything in blue I've got trades on, without highlight, no trades. In orange is what I'm going to discuss in this video, so just the three pairs. So we'll start with the Oz USD. Now remember, you can pause the video, read my notes, maybe I talk too quick or you don't understand my accent. Just pause the video, have a read. It gets a little bit confusing sometimes and I rush through it a little bit. So also all trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet, and that spreadsheet's available to everyone via a link in the description to the video. It's on Google Drive, so that record all those trades there. We can check out the break even, etc. So here's a here's a Aussie USD. My buys are designated by blue line, so vertical blue line, dashed line, and a solid horizontal blue line. They're buys. S1, S2 is in relation to the sequence 1, sequence 2. So I was in a buy here, had a stop in place that was below this entry level. Price has gone up, already closed half. I did have a sell on the downside, made a couple of bucks on that. Took another buy. Now we've got to the same sort of resistance level, and to me it's just showing a bit of weakness. The MACD Platinum, which is this bottom indicator, generally what I like to do is take sells when it's above the zero level, which is the dotted line, and buys when it's below the zero level. It's all been very tight around the zero level, and normally with a buy like I have on sequence 2 here, I would wait for this orange brownie line to go through that zero level. And in this case, I'm not waiting. It's just, to me, that sort of resistance little level there. It hasn't really clearly broken through. This thing's starting to roll over. I'm just not going to take any chances. So I've closed out 0.01 of that sequence 2 buy trade and put a stop just above the entry. I've also moved the stop up on the sequence 1 buy trade above the point of entry. So I made $8.50 on that close in there, and that's been added to the total. And my overall break even, which is this yellow dashed line, stops at the red dotted line. Yellow dashed line is my overall break even. So as long as price stays above that, because I'm net plus 0.02, as long as price stays above that, both trades are in profit. This green dotted line is just a big number on this pair, which is the 60-cent mark. You see green trend lines generally mean some sort of bullish divergence. If you see red ones, it's bearish divergence. You see these blue ones, it's something that interests me. In this case, this little double top or resistance level. So that's the Aussie USD, just tightening things up. CAD, Japanese yen, CAD yen. All right, now what happened here, this sequence 1 actually started here. Start of initial buy, followed by a hedge sell, second buy, second hedge sell, and a third buy. So I've closed all these trades here, so they're all gone. So that's, I can delete them. I'll just leave them on the chart to show you where they are. The reason why is price had gone through my overall break even for that sequence, and also I think that's about it. Hang on a sec, I'll just get rid of these and I'll explain it to you. All right, so yeah, so that was sequence 1 that started back there. Sequence 2 started here all on the same place as the third buy on sequence 1. So there's 2 trades taken on the same candle. The MACD Platinum's gone through the zero level. Remember I was talking about that before. So I've closed out half of sequence 2 and put a stop in place just above the entry level. And on sequence one, I've closed all those trades I mentioned, plus I've closed out 0.08 of trade number 3, the buy trade, and I've put a stop in place 76121 at the same place. So they're both above the entry. The yellow dashed line in there is my overall break in, which is really neither here nor there because the stop for both trades is above it. And I made a profit there of a total of $33.44, and that's been added to the profit today. This is a fairly new pair I'm trading. It's just getting up to this previous high. Also, we're into the MAs. There's nice divergence there, but it's just getting a bit tight. And with the MACD platinum through the 0 level, time to take some action, lock in some profit, put myself in a no-lose situation. So that's the CAD yen. Moving right along. New Zealand, USD, very similar to the Aussie, except I've got a lot more trades on, obviously. So sequence one starts back here. You can see it all. Started with a sell. I've got quite a few trades on while this thing's just been going sideways. So I'm at the moment on sequence one. I'm hedged, so I'm not losing anything. I'm locking in a loss between all these trades here. Sequence two was here. It was a buy. MACD platinum through the 0 level. I'm just closing that buy out. We've got this resistance level again. You'll find that the Aussie and the New Zealand are very highly correlated at times. So yeah, play it safe on both. So I've just closed that sequence 2 buy trade out, and that was a massive profit of $2.29, which has been added to the total here. And that's it. And it just looks like it's got some weakness there. Everything looks like it's rolling over. You know, it may take off and head up here somewhere. Who cares? I'm now concentrating on looking for another sell on sequence 1, which is the only sequence open at the moment. And the good thing is, as I said, it's all very tight in here. The trades aren't that far spaced. It's a pair that, you know, is normally not. You don't really get anything out of left field except for corona type virus type moves, but all good. All right, that's it on the 12-hour charts, guys. Thanks for watching. If you do like the videos, please hit the subscribe button, or if nothing else, hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. And thanks to, there's quite a few new people subscribed to the YouTube channel too. That's much appreciated. And you're all more than welcome to come over to my JAGfx Facebook group or Telegram groups, where I basically post all my daily trade setups in there. All right, enjoy the rest of the day. Monday. See ya.